This is where we've put the sailboat in here at Fort Yargo. As you can see, there's a lot of lake here, and where you come in, the main entrance is right up here where the star is. And you've got all this lake that you can navigate. And so we're right here not far from the dam. There are all kinds of hiking trails here at Fort Yargo, and there's a lot of mountain biking trails. There are some very rough trails for the experienced mountain biker, and then there's some easier trails for the novice biker. But there's a lot to offer here at the Fort Yargo Park, and it's just by a 15 to 30 minute drive from wherever you are in Monroe, and it's a real nice place to come spend the day, spend the weekend.